Now, there is a very important function that we can use, which is called len, which will return what is the length of my list. We are still at lists, okay? And this len, if you just type len like that, open a parenthesis and pass the name of your list, let's say L, it will return the number of elements inside it. Okay, why would this be useful? Well, let's say you have a list and you are appending to it, and you want to say, when I have 10 items, please do something, right? So how would you measure what is the length of your list? This is the way, by using this len. It's also important if you want to check if your list is empty, right? Let's say for any reason, you want to check the condition if I have a list and it's empty, meaning that len L is returning a 0 to me, then I want to do some action. Okay, the way to do that is with len as well. Let's go and see some examples. Alright, so we are back at our oranges, milk, and almonds. What I want to do is to check what is the length of my shopping cart. In order to do that, I would say simply length, create a variable, let's say, in order to store what is the length. And I'm going to say len shopping cart. Now, simply, if I print this, length, I would get 3 because I have 3 elements. Well, that's really good. Now, let me clear this. So I'm going to say shopping cart dot clear, meaning my shopping cart will be empty right now. And I wanna make a condition that if my list is empty, to print me some message. So I would say if len of shopping cart is equal to 0, okay, then print your shopping cart is empty. So let us see what's going to happen now. Hit on run. You'll see that we printed a 3 first because we are here. Then we cleared it, and now we are checking if it's 0 or not. As you know, when we clear it, we don't have any elements anymore, meaning what is the length when we have no elements? Well, of course, it's 0. So I'm saying here, if the length of my shopping cart is 0, then I want you to print your shopping cart is empty. And this is what we have printed.